So as per request, I am going to start with coordinate geometry. That is your chapter 5 for math 2 or geometry. Okay. So coordinate geometry. Now to understand, to do the basic for coordinate geometry, please go and check out class 9, okay, chapter 1, part 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. These 3 parts will be more than enough for you all to go ahead with the chapter, okay. So your basics will be cleared. You will not need anything else, okay. So I will directly go to distance formula. If anybody needs any explanation for anything else, please do contact me. Okay? So we'll start directly with distance formula. Okay? Now you can see that a line AB lies in the XY plane. So you can see AB over here. And as you all have studied last year, A is represented by 2 points X and Y. Okay? So based on this, it will lie in the XY plane. So points for A we assume to be X1, Y1. Points for B we assume X2, Y2. Now to find the distance between the 2 points, ये दोनों के बीच में जो distance है, I will directly go to the formula. Okay? We are not doing anything else over here. How we got it, why we got it, maybe I'll explain as the chapter ends or if anybody needs it to be done. Okay? Directly going to the point. Okay? So it is, therefore AB is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So therefore distance AB or the distance between AB is given by this. So this is known as your distance formula. Okay, for 2 points lying in the XY plane. Previously we have done for 2 points on a straight line. This is XY plane. Okay. This is a, you can say a 2D in 2 dimension. Okay, if we try to understand. Okay. So based on this particular formula, we will be doing our first set of sums. Before that, let's also see that what we need to remember. Okay, the 2 formulas. Now, so if they say the coordinates of coordinate of origin are 0, 0. So origin I mean where your x and y are meeting, that particular thing. Okay, that is known as the the origin. So if the line starts from the coordinate, okay, so then how it will be given? It will be given by under root distance OP. O stands for the origin and P means any point. It will be given as under root x square plus y square. It's a direct formula that is given in order to solve the MCQ based sum. It is an important thing. And now, जैसे हम लोगों ने AB के लिए deal किया था, here they are taking another 2 points P and Q. Okay. So if P open bracket x1 comma y1 comma and Q is represented by x2 y2, they lie in the xy plane, then the distance between PQ is given by, okay, distance PQ is equals to under root x2 square minus x1 the whole square plus y2 square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. So that is your distance PQ. So keeping this in mind, let's go to the solved example. First I will do the solved example, then based on the solved example we will do the exercise and then we will do the problem set. That's how I do it. Okay. So we will be following that approach only. Okay. Because एक type के sums पूरे हो जाते हैं, then we don't have to look here and there. We are done with that particular thing. So example 1. Find the distance between the points P minus 1, 1 and Q 5, minus 7. Okay. Let's see. Now we'll write same approach we will be writing given to prove that same thing. Okay. So this is example 1. Example 1. So given P is nothing but P is minus 1, 1 and Q is 5, minus 7. Q is represented by, so here x1 is equals to minus 1 y1 is equals to 1, x2 is equals to 5, y2 is equals to minus 7. Okay, now to find the distance between PQ, directly apply. So you can say solution by distance formula. Distance PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, that is the formula. Okay, therefore substitute the value, that is equals to, do not forget the under root and do not put it half also. X2 is 5 minus of minus 1 the whole square plus y2 minus 7 minus of 1 the whole square. If you all do that, I said part 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 of your class 9, you will be able to solve this. Okay, so here now 5 minus minus plus 1 the whole square. First solve by bottomless. Okay, bottomless मतलब brackets के अंदर का पहले solve करना है. Minus minus it becomes plus 1. First solve that. Now don't add. Plus, keep this as it is. Minus 7 minus 1. So minus 7 minus 1 the whole square. Do not remove the square for 1 and 1. Try doing it in the same step. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 the whole square plus minus minus addition rule, minus minus plus, so minus 8 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 6 6 are 36 plus, now square of any number, be it positive or negative, square of any number is always a positive number. 8 8s are 64. You add both of them, it will give you 100. Therefore distance PQ is equals to 100, under root 100. But we know the answer. Therefore distance PQ is equals to 10 units. Okay. If it is not a perfect square, you can keep it under root. Okay. So this is distance PQ is equals to 10 units. Now let's move on to the exercise question. So our exercise question is, that is practice set 5.1. Practice set 5.1, the first question. Now in this I will do again, see I want to do all the sums, but we do not have that much time. So I will be doing 1, 3 and 6 because they are a little different and they are a little difficult. Okay, rest all the sums I would like you all to do and post the answers. If you have any problem, then yes, I will be solving it for you all. Okay, so practice set 5.1, the first sum. Okay, first question, find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. So ये distance formula का direct application हम लोग इधर करेंगे. ठीक है, so this is the first type of sum. We are solving everything to do with the direct application of distance formula. Okay. Now, as I always say, first we write the given. First question the first sum we do. Okay. Question 1, the first sum. Given A is 2, 3 and B is represented by 4, 1. Okay, it's an easy sum. So here x1 is equals to 2, y1 is equals to 3. Please don't do a mistake in writing this. x2 is equals to 4, y2 is equals to 1. Okay, so find, what do we have to find? Distance A, B. Solution. directly by distance formula. Distance A comma B. Always write the formula. It also helps you to remember. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, distance A comma B is equal to, substitute now, x2 minus x1. Always see if you have taken the correct. 2 सेकेंड लगता है चेक करने के लिए, क्रॉस चेक. 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3. जस्ट आपको 1 minus 3 साउंड अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो डू नॉट चेंज इट, एज इट इज लिखो. 1 minus 3 y2 minus y1. 1 minus 3 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 the whole square. Do not cancel 2 and 2. Please do the square. 2 square is 4. Minus 2 square is also 4. Minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus minus plus. So as I said, be it a negative number or a positive number, the square is always a positive number. ठीक है. 4 plus 4 is not 16. Add करो 8 होता है. Under root 8. Therefore, distance A comma B is 8 units. ठीक है. So this is how the sum is supposed to look like. Okay. Let's increase our level and go to sum number 3. 3. Question 1, sum number 3. Given R is equals to 0 comma minus 3 and S is equals to 0 comma 5 comma 2. 0 and 5 comma 2. Okay. So here x1 is equals to 0, y1 is equals to minus 3. एक बार चेक कर लो. 0 minus 3 इस टेक्स्ट बुक में क्रॉस चेक करना है कभी भी. 0 and 5 by 2. x2 is equals to 0 again. y2 is 5 by 2. Okay. Find distance R comma S. Solution. By distance formula. Okay. Therefore, distance R comma S is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. We just substitute now. Under root 0 minus 0 the whole square plus y2 is 5 by 2 minus 3 the whole square. ठीक है. So let's take it upon 1. Okay. Minus 3 means minus 3 upon 1. Okay. Doesn't change the value of that number. I am not making it a different thing. 0 minus 0 is 0. We'll ignore it now. It's gone. It is 0 plus 5 upon 2 minus plus 3 upon 1. Okay. Now you will solve only this much. Therefore, that is equals to under root 0 plus any number is the number itself. Now here we take LCM. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. If you do not know, please go to the nuts and bolts section. There in the chapter series it will be explained. Okay. So coming back, 2 and 1 the LCM is 2. Okay. ऐसे केस में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 1 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 5 1s are 5 and 2 को 3 से. 2 3s are 6 plus 6 the whole square. Do not cancel 2 1s are 2 3s are. Please, there is a plus sign over here. Do not do such silly mistakes. Okay. Now 5 plus 6 is 11 upon 2 the whole square. Do not just finish the answer here. So distance r comma s is equal to under root 121 upon 4. Cancellation नहीं हो रहा है तो units लिख के छोड़ दो. That's the answer. It might not be looking like the thing you like, but yes, that is the sum. Okay, do not try to change it or do anything to it. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 6. Okay, which is of the same type. Let's move on to sum number 6. That is question 1. Practice set 5.1 only. Question 1, sum number 6. So in this given, I'm writing everything so that you all also write everything. Please do not miss it. 6 given. W is represented by minus 7 by 2 comma 4 and X is represented by 11 comma 4. Okay, do not get scared, please always attempt the sum. Okay, so here x1 y1, x1 is minus 7 upon 2 and y1 is equals to 4, x2 is equals to 11, y2 is equals to 4. Okay, okay. So let's do the sum. Find distance w comma x. There will wonder why Miss is writing everything, because Miss has to write. If I don't write, you all will stop writing. Therefore, solution by distance formula. So therefore, distance w comma x is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, that is equal to x2 minus x1 11. So we will do that. 11 minus of minus 7 upon 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to, let's try to solve this. 11 means 11 upon 1 minus minus plus 7 upon 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 is 0 the whole square. Write it down. Okay, now we already know 0 square is 0, but here we'll have to solve. As I said, 2 ones are 2. कुछ नहीं आया तो multiply कर दो. 2 ones are 2. Then cross multiplication. 11 will be multiplied by 2. 22 plus 1 sevens are 7. Okay. Plus 0. 0 square is 0. That is equals to under root 22 plus 7 becomes 22 plus 7. Okay, 7 to 9 and 2. Okay, so that is, or either square will be 29 upon 2 the whole square. That is distance w comma x. Therefore, distance w comma x is equal to, okay, what will you all do? Do not leave it like that. Solve the sum. Okay, that's why you have to learn squares till 30. So it will be under root 841 upon 4 units. Okay. So that is your sum. Okay. Now we will see the next set of sums. Now we will go to problem set sums That is your problem set 5 for this particular thing. And we will solve that sum. Okay, as you saw all these sums, we will solve those. Problem set 5, sum number 6, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, problem set 5, sum number 6, based on the similar one. Okay, just give me 2 minutes checking my sum. So let's start with problem set 5. Problem set 5, sum number 6. We are going to target. In that you have 3 sums. Now find the distance between the following points. Again, direct application of your distance formula. That's why I said we will do it simultaneously. I will be doing sum number, sum number 1 and 3 for y'all. Rest y'all can do on your own. That is only one sum that I will be leaving for y'all. Okay. So question 6. Question 6. We'll go for the first one. Given what they are saying, A is equals to A comma 0 and B is equals to 0 comma A. Please don't get frightened ki kya hai ye. Please do it. Okay. Do the sum. Apply the formula. What you get the answer is irrespective. You will get it the flow. Okay. Your x1 is equals to A, y1 is equals to 0 and x2 is equals to 0, y2 is equals to A. Okay. Do the sum. You will get the answer. Find distance A comma B. If you all stop, then you will not get the answer. Don't get scared and all. Always solve it. Okay. See, now itna likhne ke liye problem tha kya? What you will do is you will see this variables and then you will get scared and don't solve. Okay. At least do this much. Substitute and then you see what happens. By formula. Substitution tak to same rehta. By formula. By distance formula. Therefore, distance AB is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. See, you're going with the flow. No problem at all. You've written the formula. Now substitute. Either tak, no difference. Just substitute. If you cannot, then stop. Please do not look at the sum and stop. Okay. So then, therefore, that is x2 is what? 0 minus A the whole square plus y2 minus 0. A minus 0 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to under root 0 minus A is minus A the whole square plus A minus 0 is A the whole square. Please do not cancel square of a. So, minus A into minus A will be minus minus plus A means A square. It will be under root A square plus A the whole square is A square. It will not be A raised to 4. It will be 2A square. Okay. And your answer will be, since this is, let me, 2 into A. This is a square. A will come out. So, it will be A root 2. So, your distance AB is nothing but A root 2 units. Okay, it was as simple. So go with the flow. Okay, till here though nobody is telling you anything. Just substitute. Okay, and then try, but always solve the sum. Okay, now question 6 we will do the third sum. Okay. Question 6, we will do the third sum. Question 6, we are attempting the third sum. So let's see. Given R is equals to minus 3a comma a, and S is equals to a comma minus 2a. Therefore, your ax1 is equals to minus 3a, y1 is equals to a, and x2 is equals to a, y2 is equals to minus 2a. Okay, find the distance r comma s. Solution. Okay, again by distance formula. Please maintain the way I am writing. Okay, see how I am writing the solution, so don't forget that. Therefore, distance r comma s is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Again, do not get scared. Substitute karo. Reach the substitution at least. Afterwards, you'll see what you have to do. Rs is equals to, okay, x2 is what over here? A minus 3a square bracket. This is just to differentiate, okay? So a x2 minus x1, a minus 3 plus y2 is minus 2a minus a. Let's see how we do it. Therefore, that is equals to under root का पहले solve करेंगे. A minus plus 3a. Do not add or something. First solve this. This is multiplication. Minus plus 2a minus. This is addition rule. Minus plus 3a though, and sign of the greater number the whole square. Please don't forget this whole square. Okay. Now, please do not solve this as it is. Keep it. A plus 3a is 4a the whole square plus minus 3a the whole square. Now solve it if you all want. Therefore, that is equals to under root 16a square plus 3 3s are 9a square. Okay. Therefore, 16 plus 9 is 25. Under root 25a square. See, you all already know 25 is the square of 5 and a square is the square of a. So direct answer आना चाहिए. But I will just write it for you like this. That is 5 into 5 into a into a. Okay. So square root है तो 5a units is the distance between RS. So these are the sums for now. That is direct application of distance formula. Okay. Next we will do collinear and non-collinear points. Please watch practice set. Please watch part 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 for class 9 coordinate. What do you say? I think basic concepts of geometry. Okay. In order to get the base of this. I'll see you in the next part. Bye.
I hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series, just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So, ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So, help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.